Hello everybody, welcome to the channel Life in France. I'm Mark, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. Guys, one of the things living in France is you still have to have some of the food that you enjoy from the UK. And obviously the roast dinner is the foundation of English cooking. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest roast dinner to cook. You know, everyone has hectic lives, and basically I love one-pan cooking, and in this instance one tray cooking, a roasting tin, because I'm going to cook everything in one roasting tin. That's the meat, the veg and the potatoes. So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest roast dinner to cook, and in this instance I'm going to use a chicken, but you can cook any roast dinner using the same principles. Okay guys, my easy roast. Firstly, some potatoes, just stick them in a pan, stick some oil over them and then season them with salt. No need to pre-boil. And then I'm going to put them in the oven for half an hour at 230 degrees. Okay guys, it's been half an hour, so I'm just going to get the potatoes out. As you can see, they're starting to brown a little bit. Now I did say this is the easiest roast ever, and what I do, put some frozen vegetables at the bottom of the pan. This is a mixed Asian bag of frozen vegetables. My secret ingredient, some tin of mushrooms. Lovely, they add a real nice flavour to the chicken. One fresh chicken, stick that on top of the vegetables. Okay, then take a knife and just puncture the chicken so that the juices can come out. Put a little bit of oil on top of the chicken. Season with some salt. Now that goes into the heated oven, and we were going to reduce the temperature down to 210 degrees and cook for an hour and a half. It will take slightly longer to cook, guys, because it's sitting on a bed of frozen vegetables. And this is how you cook the easiest roast dinner ever. The only thing that needs to be done is to baste the chicken and potatoes every half hour. So just move the chicken aside. When you baste the chicken, that does two functions. It's going to keep the chicken moist, but it also means that more juices come out of it. And then just do that over the potatoes as well. So the potatoes are going to pick up all the flavours of the mushrooms and the vegetables, as well as the chicken. And it's these juices at the end that we're going to make our gravy with. So put that back in the oven. Okay guys, another half hour. Time to rebaste. Just like to move everything around as well. Always baste your chicken. You know, the only thing you've got to do with this easy roast, guys, is the baste. Every half hour, just take the dish out of the oven and put some oil on. If it is a bit dry, guys, just add a bit more oil, but there's plenty here. And that goes back in the oven for the final half hour. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best gravy for your roast dinners. So starting off with the good ingredients, Bisto gravy granules. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of gravy granules to a gravy boat. There we are. I'm now going to take the roast dinner out of the oven. Okay guys, there's the roast dinner, all cooked. I'm going to show you how to make some lovely gravy. I've already put some gravy granules in the gravy boat. Before I pour any of this juice on here though, I'm going to just pour it over the chicken. And then take a tablespoon of the juices from the roast and pour that in the gravy. 2 if you want. Don't mind if you put a bit of vegetables in there as well. And then just stir all that together to make a paste. Here we are. And then the key is to gradually add boiling water to this paste and keep stirring at each time you put additional boiling water in, and that's how you get a delicious gravy for your roast. There we are guys, my Sunday roast all cooked, ready to serve up, all cooked in just one pan. So just add a little bit of boiling water guys and stir that up. And just keep adding water until you get to the thickness of gravy that you enjoy eating. There we are guys, Sunday roast and gravy. A very easy Sunday roast recipe and method. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this easy roast dinner recipe and the method of cooking a roast dinner with ease. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Take care everybody. Sunday roast and gravy. A very easy Sunday roast recipe and method.